What a final we have in store tonight. Two unbeaten teams hitting their peak at the right time. It is going to be a great game. There seems to be a problem with the lights.
Job started.
Directions.
Walk 50 feet, then turn right.
Waiting to hear if there's a problem.
Warning, confined space. Panel located. Enter code 72. Initiate relay. Disable active circuits. Disconnect cable. Remove unit.
We've been told the problem with the lights is being fixed. And there they are. The lights are back on.
Call Phil.
Calling Phil.
Yeah, this doesn't seem quite right.
Let me take a look. I'll take you through it. Hit the relay button.
Okay.
Then 784.
Got it.
Yeah, it doesn't seem quite right, but it'll be okay for now.
I'll put a new work order in for next week, Phil. Thanks for your help.
New work order submitted.
The atmosphere cranks up a notch. It's a beautiful night.